Hey everybody, my name's Elaine, and today I'm going to be unboxing Herdvana, which is coming to Kickstarter in March of 2023. I am assuming that's a play on Nerdvana, so I guess we'll find out if this helps me reach... Wow, Nerdvana. I'm a silly. I meant Nirvana. Let's see if this game helps me find inner peace in my very stressful work life where I can't even apparently pronounce Nirvana properly anymore. That's how bad things are. That's how bad things are. So, Odd Family Games, can you make my life better? Let's find out when eventually we review this game and play it. Because right now, like I said, just unboxing. See what's in here in this lovely, thank goodness, it's a lift-off box lid and not that nonsense with the flippy flippies, which I hate because it just damages the box. You know, like the old card boxes, you know, like deck playing cards. Ooh. Ah. This says that this is an early test version of Herdvana. We weren't able to get everything made now, and some things that will be in the final version are missing from this edition. So what's not in the box? There's like a little plastic divider tray, 4 additional on your turn cards, and a rule section for the expansions, which I guess doesn't exist right now or is still in development. Looks like we got a pamphlet rulebook. My only comment is definitely would prefer a booklet because it's just, I think, a little more manageable. I do like the colors. They got a nice ombre rainbow thing going on here. Lots of pictures. We do like pictures. They make things easier. Little notes, a little bit of blanks, but, you know, it's very pretty. I approve. Oh no! It's my nemesis, guys. I had removed it before so you wouldn't have to watch me struggle, but... plastic wrap! Oh no. Oh no. I don't have nails right now. Can I do this? Maybe? Maybe not. I'm just like stabbing myself right now, despite the lack of nails. We will be back in a moment once I use scissors. Ah, my scissor friend has aided me in my quest to open the thing. Oh god, I'm still struggling. Oh, I need nails. Can't do anything without them. Ooh, they're so slidey. Very, very slippery little pile of cards here. Like the rounded edges, very nice. No stabbies for the children's fingers, love it. No blood for the blood god. So, first section are these on your turns, you will do one of the following. Begin a herd, build on a herd, take the discard, protect a herd, steal a herd, abduct a farmer, or discard. Ooh, I can abduct people? What am I, an alien? Draw back to 6 cards to hand... Yeah. Draw back to 6 cards in hand to end your turn. I like that's a rainbow and it had 7 little options. That was a nice touch, guys. Appreciate that. And then I think this is just your deck of cards. So let's see. We have the number 4 Bison, very American. You know, it's kind of like Pokemon Go where we get our lovely, lovely Tauros as our national Pokemon. This is a cow. Ooh, I like cows. They give me milk. I like cow boob juice. You know, it's very yummy. Ooh, a horse. That's fantabulous. Reminds me of Black Beauty and Black Stallion. Very sad movies from my childhood, but that's okay. Also has the number 3. A llama. There's a llama and another little llama. I don't remember the song, but it used to get stuck in my head all the time. But there's a llama song, and it's funny. And the orange slayed the rake. The orange slayed the rake. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know from the llama song. And that there are also many llamas. Here's a pig. It's Peanut. Actually, it's too chonky to be Peanut because I want a mini pig, and this looks like a full-grown piggy, but that's okay. So lots of farm animals so far. And then they threw me off with a peacock, but also not really. There was a farm stand I used to go to as a little girl, Birdie's Farm, and they had peacocks. For some reason, I, to this day, cannot fathom. He just had peacocks running around. But only the male peacocks. It's a bee. It looks like a chonky caterpillar bee slug thing, but I like it. It appeals to me for some reason. I don't think it could support its own weight, though, with those wings, but that's okay. This is, you know, a family-friendly game, so, you know. According to this, let's see. Am I right? Yeah. It was made by Odd Family Games, which, spoilers, suggest that this is, in fact, a family-friendly game. Ooh, we have a goldfish. Looks like he's seen some better days. He looks like he's rolling his eyes at me like, Elaine, get on with the unboxing. You're just rambling now. God. Yeah, goldfish doesn't like me, I've decided. The turtle just looks like he's so done with life. I love it. That expression makes me a happy panda for some peculiar reason, but it just does. I feel like it must be because it expresses how I am on the inside. You know, when I just walk to work and I'm like, oh, it's you again. Let's see what else we have here. A chicken! Miss! He looks alarmed. It's just like Michelle when she's alarmed. Or the person who went to see Michelle. That's how that was at the DMV. We'll tell you that story sometime. In a short, maybe. We'll get Michelle to tell that story because it's amusing. Ooh, a chameleon. What does it say on the bottom? This is the first one with flavor text. Chortney. I feel like that's an inside joke I will never get. Well, developers, I am sad I do not get your joke, but I'm sure it's funny. He's a sad little chameleon. Oh no, it's the farmer. That's our first human, so that's exciting. He's got a shovel. Kind of weird way to hold the shovel, though. It's like holding it from the bottom, right? And then his other hand's just kind of being gripped like a loaf of dead bread. I don't know. Odd choice for Fred the farmer. He's a little elderly. He's over life right now. Oh, there's more than one farmer. There's this farmer with a sickle and a little hat. Another farmer. Oh, they have names. They name them. I just noticed. This is Joe. This is Bao. This is Alika. Jose. Jill. Jill doesn't look like a farmer. She looks like Waldo's lost cousin. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. This is Dan, who really looks like he belongs in a university and is just trying out farming life for funds over the weekend. He's like, I need to collect bat guano for my experiments, so I'm going to pretend to be a farmer. Then we have Isaac. Seems a little biblical. Saeed. This one looks biblical. Then we have Pacha. Looks like he should be herding some llamas up in the mountains. Then we have Victor. Oh, with a wobbly arm. I don't know what happened to his arm. It got dislocated, got stuck in a cotton gin. Oh my gosh. I'm making references to, I think his name's Tom Robinson from To Kill a Mockingbird. Oh goodness. Winona. That does not look like a Winona. Also has very tiny arms. I don't know what happened to her there. This is Abio. Okay. Chester. Fatima. Eduardo. Lucia. Francois. I looked at the letters for a minute. I'm like, what does this say? I don't know. I don't speak English anymore in this moment. Tomas. Also looks like he dislocated his arm at some point in his life. That looks very painful. Oh, he looks like he's from Hawaii. Tavite? Tavitas? Abilene. Ooh, aliens! Oh, and they're named. So yeah, like here's Herbert, for example. Zorink. Just gonna flip through them really fast. I like this guy because he has a gun. That one's creepy. I don't like him. We're gonna skip through that because I feel like I need... That one makes me feel like I need an adult too, and it's Fabio. So all you people who like romance novels, this was for you, apparently. Ren. Okay. Winston. Gail. Ooh, he's like, I have a thing. His name's Kale. I can't like him now because Kale's superpower is that it tastes terrible. Priscilla. Spiff. Okay. That seems like a bad dog name. It's like naming your dog Spot, but whatever. And then Albert. I feel like that's too like white guy for an alien, but whatever. So there you have it. That is an unboxing of Herdvana, which again comes to Kickstarter in March of 2023. I hope you all check out this family-friendly game. And if you like what you saw here, leave a comment down below. Ring a bell. Like button. Smash it until it's blue. Ring that bell again. Subscribe so you know what's up. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, guys.